Hey friends, my name is Tracy McGee and I homestead here in Southern Illinois on 40 acres. And we moved to this property back in 2014. And when we first moved here, I knew absolutely nothing about homesteading, but I had a dream. And so I followed that dream, and I can remember one night my husband coming to me and he said, "Oh, I found this lady on the internet who does all of this really cool homesteading stuff, and I think you'll really like her." And so he actually introduced me to Melissa Norris that night. And I started following Melissa, and I bought her books and started implementing some of the things that I was learning. And then I finally became a member of the Academy in the fall of 2018. So before I joined the Academy, I had dreams of what I wanted my homestead to look like. But I had no idea how to accomplish any of it or where to start. Boxed processed food was a very frequent guest to our dinner table. I used commercial cleaning products and personal care products for myself and my family. And I knew that I wanted something different. I knew that I wanted to cook from scratch, to raise all of our own food, and to make my own personal care and cleaning products. I knew I had the desire, and I also believed that I had the ability to do all of that, but I really struggled with being overwhelmed and just not knowing where to start. And I signed up for the Academy because I felt like it was going to give me the resources that I need, the direction that I needed, and lots of encouragement and support. So my first breakthrough moment was probably when I served my family made from scratch buttermilk biscuits for the very first time. I had never made buttermilk biscuits before, and as a matter of fact, I really wasn't even a big fan of eating them. But after that night, I learned that it was only because I had never actually eaten a fresh made from scratch buttermilk biscuit before. And let me tell you, they were amazing. And I was so proud of myself for my accomplishment. I was really shocked at how fast and easy they were. It was funny because I told my husband that I was going to make buttermilk biscuits, and he was like, "There is no way," and you kind of envision this whole tedious process. And literally it probably took 10 or 15 minutes to get the dough ready, and then another 15 minutes to bake, and they were ready to go. So it was really shocking and surprising how quick and easy they were, just with the right skills and knowledge that I learned from the Academy. It was also really exciting to see my family's reaction to how good they were, and they were proud of me too. So that was fun. I think what probably helped me the most with being a member of the Academy is knowing that I have all the resources that I need at my fingertips all in one spot. Because I don't have to go and search all over the internet to find a recipe or a technique or something and then wonder whether or not it's going to work. I know how much care and time and energy that Melissa puts into researching and testing all of the recipes and techniques that she shares with us. And so I know that every time I try something new, it's going to be a success. Might not be perfect every time, and some of these skills are skills that need to be practiced and learned over a period of time. But I know I've never been disappointed, and I know that there's always tons of encouragement and support there from both Melissa and also the other members in the Academy. So I know I'm never on my own. I've come a really long way in my homesteading journey since October of last year, and it's really fun to hear. I see people out and about that have seen, some of the pictures and things that I post on Instagram or Facebook of the different recipes that I'm trying or the different things that I'm learning. And everybody just gets so excited to see it and really just enjoys seeing everything that I'm doing. And it's fun to see those reactions and to get that feedback from people on all the things that I'm doing. But I can now consistently and confidently make my own sourdough starter from scratch. And then I can use that sourdough starter to make bread and brownies and pancakes and all other kinds of yummy, delicious and healthy foods for my family. I can grow enough of any kind of vegetable to last my family for an entire year. I can take a bag of apples and I can peel and cut those apples, and I can turn those apple peels and cores into apple cider vinegar. And if you've ever bought organic, raw apple cider vinegar with a mother, you know that it's not cheap. And so, but I can make that from scratch right in my own kitchen using scraps that I would be throwing in the trash anyway. I can cook from scratch. I can make an immune boosting tea that will keep me and my family healthy throughout the cold and flu season. I can make homemade kombucha and all kinds of fermented foods that have lots of good gut bacteria to help keep us healthy as well. I just want to let you know that the Academy is worth every single penny and so much more. You're going to save so much money just by making your food from scratch as opposed to buying it processed at the grocery store. That alone will pay for your yearly membership. But then you have all the health benefits that go along with growing your own vegetables, making your food from scratch, making your own medicine, all of those types of things, which is going to equal better health, which really is priceless. And then you're also going to be spending less money on doctor's visits and pharmaceutical drugs and over-the-counter medications as well. You're going to learn how to make other things too, like cold processed soap and lotion bars and salves and all different kinds of products that make really good gifts for your loved ones. So you can save a ton of money over the holidays by doing a lot of DIY gift things for your family members and friends. And then you also can take those same products and actually begin to sell them and maybe even, have a little side income or even a full-blown business for yourself to actually help bring in some income for your family as well. There's a lot of ways that you can make homesteading actually work for you and help you to build a business or to bring in a little bit of extra income if that's something that you're looking to do. So anyway, I hope I've helped to clarify some things and answer some questions for you. I absolutely love being a part of the Academy. I don't regret a second of it. And if you're on the fence at all about the Academy, I just want to encourage you to just do it because you won't regret it either. You will be so thrilled and so happy and so excited and so proud of your success, and you won't regret it for a second.